Jade and I'm from Webbies Mechanical. Today I'm going to be giving you a product review on a product that I'm quite passionate about. This is a product that we have in our own vehicle and we definitely want to be installing many more of these. It is where technology meets forward driving. The product I'm referring to is ARB Lynx, and today I'm going to be talking about what it does and why you should have it. So, I hear you asking, what is ARB Lynx? Well, ARB Lynx is a switching interface. So what it is designed to do is it's designed to control all your switches in your vehicle. Modern day vehicles, we have hardly any blanks these days to put in switches. It also starts to get a bit untidy when you start thinking about putting in an air compressor switch, a diff locker switch, camp light switches and spotlight switches, when you can actually have it all in the one unit. This one unit, as you can see, actually allows you to have several switches all at your fingertip. It's mounted on the pillar in your vehicle, and therefore we can adjust it to a certain angle to whatever you like. You can wear polarized sunglasses while looking at it, and as it is an Android-based system, you can actually put Android apps on them as well. For example, if we go into here, I have HEMA on mine. HEMA Explorer. My internet's really slow today, so I do apologise as I'm in a shed. But as you can see, I've got HEMA Explorer on there. The best part of it is, as I said, it's a Google-based Android. So anything that you have that's Google-based Android, you can pop on here. But it has a lot of cool features. We can monitor your speed, your altitude and your heading. We can also inflate and deflate our tyres. We can inflate and deflate our airbags. We can also turn on our spotlights, our camp lights, up to 6 switching accessories. So you could have a switch to the rear to turn a fridge on and off so that you didn't drain the battery. You could have it switching power to your caravan, so you can switch your Anderson plug off with basically a touch of a button. We can also monitor up to 3 batteries, our main auxiliary and a third auxiliary. It also has our incline and decline, which is a new feature in the ARB app, which is pretty cool. It also has a clock on there with your current time, and then once again your switches to turn on your rear and front lockers. So as you can see, as we're going through all of these, it has some pretty cool features. I do believe there's up to 25 features that we can add to it. The next part of my product review, I'll actually be showing you through a demonstration of inflating, deflating and switching on and off the lights. Probably the best thing I've found with this unit so far is we were out camping, we were on the Holland track, and it's 2 o'clock in the morning, we'd probably had too many beers, and I'm like, oh, I really need to go to the loo. Hubby grabs this, switches on the camp lights, and it's lit up like a Christmas tree. I now don't have to hide from the kangaroo because I can see him with my camp lights. So stay tuned, and we'll do the demonstration shortly. Now I'm going to take you through the ARB Lynx demonstration, but firstly I wanted to show you where it's mounted in the vehicle, also how easy it is to change a few settings on it. So first things first is it sits here on this gimbal mount, which is a magnet. At 100 k's an hour, it's not going anywhere. So nice and simple, clicks on. You can also make some of your features accessible just for you. For example, you can change your units, so you can do kilometres per hour or miles per hour. You can also change it to kPa or PSI. Another thing that we can do on this one is we can also change the theme colour. I like to make it pink or purple just because it annoys hubby and he can never get the red right again. So we just hit apply, and now we go back into it, go into my speedometer, and everything is now purple. To make it nice and large, all we do is double click, and then you can see everything. Another thing that we can do obviously is turning on all our lights. We can also inflate and deflate our tyres. So to inflate and deflate our tyres, it's nice and simple. We've got a jack on the back of our vehicle which is hooked up to our ARB single high output compressor. It's something that at Webbies Mechanical we can also install for you. But what it is it's as simple as changing the pressure that we want it to be, clipping it onto the tyre, and then hitting pressure control, and it'll deflate. As you can see, it's deflating to 30 psi. How simple is that? You just unclick it, walk to the next tyre, it'll automatically sense the next tyre and then go again. To inflate, however, we do need to start the engine. There is a setting that you can change, but we definitely prefer to have it so that the engine's running while your compressor's going, so you don't. Now I'm going to inflate the tyre that I've inflated. So in the rears I actually run 40 psi, so I just change it to 40, hit the tip, and away it goes to pump up the tyres. This is really helpful if you've got multiple vehicles. So what that actually means is that while you're walking around, you can change the amount to suit what you want, and then just keep plugging it in. So as you can see, the compressor stops because what it's doing is the pressure control is testing to see how much air is in the actual tyre before it continues on. So that's all nice and pumped up, sitting at 40 psi, and it's simple as disconnecting, doing up, and plugging onto the next tyre. The next thing we like to do, as I said before, is turning on and off things like diff lockers. If you listen nice and closely, I'll engage the rear diff locker. It makes an ever so slight noise when the sound of the air kicks in, and then it disengages. We can also do that for the front locker. At this stage I'm still waiting for the front lockers to be installed in the vehicle. Once again, Webbies Mechanical can install diff lockers to suit your vehicle. The next cool feature is obviously the lighting aspect, and we can turn on and turn off our spotlights and hand lights. Nice and simple. There's my spotlights turned on. As a switch, on and off. Super easy. Out camping, then we can do our camp lights. If you come round to the side of here, you can see that I've got camp lights on this side of the vehicle. Push of a button, nice and easy, they're off. They're on, they're off. So as you can see, ARB Lynx is designed to become your new switching interface. For example, if you had airbags, you could inflate and deflate your airbags to up to 4 preset settings, so you can have boat, car, trailer, city driving. So look, you can purchase ARB Lynx from anywhere that sells ARB products, and any reputable dealer can actually install it. Once again, it's something that I'm quite passionate about, and I really enjoy this product. I think it's technology meets four-wheel drive, and I look forward to seeing you in at Webbies Mechanical to get one fitted in your vehicle. Thank you, have a good day.